What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, look here, man. Y'all already know I got a packed video, so I can't go through everything, but we still finna step outside. Might catch us a floozy. You thought I wasn't gonna say it when I did? I got something else for you, too. Long time. No here. Check this out. Better shake it off, boy. Good Lord, I think they start putting. I ain't gonna even say it. Anyway, certain things you can't say on YouTube, but they won't show you video, but you get 5 views. But anyway, look here, man. Just want to say this right quick. On Sunday, I'm going to do a huge airdrop on Sunday. I will be giving out 20 drip a piece. So if you can find a way to, make your little comment, you know what I'm saying? And find a way to put your address in that comment. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do. By now, you know how we do, bro. So that's all I'm going to say before they even trying to, you know what I'm saying? Do what they do. But we going to do what we do. But I got something new for you today, man. I'm excited about this one. Avarice. I'm excited for simply one word. At first, I was just looking, but I saw one word, man. One word, man, that got me going, man. So I gotta check this out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show it to you now. Check this out right here. This is what got me going. So I'm looking at, standard old site. Made, you know what I'm saying? Just keeping it real. Now, I'm gonna keep it real 100. I ain't gonna be just all glory day and all that. No, we're gonna keep it real. So let me watch this. At its core, avarice means greed. See that? When I saw that, oh, but I gotta dig deeper. I gotta go further. At its core, avarice means greed. It is an incredibly lucrative staking dApp that is built on the shoulders of giants, Hex and T2X. That's basically. Hex got, caught T2X coming around the corner, caught him a little floozy. They had a baby, and this Avarice. That's all it is. This is the baby of Hex and T2X. So now let's keep it going. Drawing inspiration from the highly successful T2X platform, the glory days of DeFi, Avarice brings the auction fun and FOMO to the Binance Smart Chain. So right there I was in. They talking about greed and all that. Hey, I'm the greediest one. I'm in. So I ain't gonna do all the other stuff like, you can look, man. But I'm gonna tell you like this. Now I'm gonna work backwards, right? So I'm gonna go on to the lobby and I'm gonna work backwards because this is what you need to know. This is the point you need to know right here, right? Now by the time you see this, don't worry about all these numbers gonna be a little higher by the time you see this. You know what I'm saying? But what you need to know, if you was in T2X, what that look like? This ain't number T2X. That's all it is. Now, to be honest with you, this looks like something else. I don't even want to say the name of it because I don't fool with them over there. But this looks like T2X. Now, I don't think you need to worry about this timer right here. So it may, by the time you said it probably be like 12 hours or so left. I don't think you just need to get in before it get to 0. You ain't got to get in right now. You should, but you know what I'm saying? You get in for say 0, and I'm finna get in. I ain't even got in yet. I'm about to get in and I'm gonna show you. So you go to lobby. When you click the link in the description, you go to lobby, right? Then you click enter. They're gonna show you your wallet and all that, your balance, what you got in there. Now, I'm gonna come on in here with one BNB. You know what I'm saying? Come on in here with one BNB. We're gonna do it like that. Now, from what I seen, some of these lobbies might get sold out on some day. They only have certain amount available. You know what I'm saying? And this thing is gonna catch on. You know what I'm saying? Like, your boy talking about this, or everybody else gonna try to act like they the first to hear about all that kind of. I wasn't the first to do a video on it, but you know what it is. So all I'm saying is some of these days the lobby may sell out the AVC token. You know what I'm saying? They only allow so many per day. So you know what I'm saying? Get in where you fit in, because you trying to, you know how we do with these auctions. We come in here and try to snipe it at the end. Yeah, come on, dog. Hey, I'm gonna give you the pointers. So right now, I'm going to receive 9,000 tokens. At this point, I don't even know if that's good or bad. So you just have to do it every day. Like, the best way to do it, guys, come in with the same amount of tokens, whether it's 0.1, 0.5, 1 BNB. Come in with the same amount of tokens every day, then you'll know what's good and bad, right? So don't nobody tell you no strategy. They just want you to come in. You got to get a strategy going. And it's going to take a few days for it to get a base, you know what I'm saying, and see what's going on. And then you'll know what's happening. So after you do that, and that time hit 0, you come over to staking, hit staking, right? It's very easy, man. Man, my foot itch. Why y'all been trying to scratch your foot through your sock? Oh, Lord, that ain't going to cut it. That ain't going to cut it, boy. You got to take that sock off. Woo! All right, man, I be tripping. But anyway, when you come over here, like, you can't do it right now because it ain't open. You just come over here and however many you got. If you got 9,000, if you got 1,000, if you got 500, if you got 1 million, you just put it right there and stake how many days. Now you can stake up to 300. This is where it get a little tricky. Now, that's all you really need to know. But I'm finna get a little tricky. You can stake up to 300 days, right? Now, at first I was like, nah, I ain't staking no 300 days. I ain't doing it. But there's a strategy to that. If the longer you stake, you have more options, right? Let me get to that. So when you put your days in, you put your amount, put your days, you click stake. Y'all know how this stuff works. You're going to show up right there and show the contract back out. Oh, you know how that works, man, if you've been doing it. Now, let me show you why the 300-day thing might be beneficial to you. Right here. You can sell your unfinished stakes with your chosen price. You see what I'm saying? So now, and if they got lending, you lend BNB with guaranteed return by Avarice. You can get a loan on your stake. So if you got a long stake, you can get a loan on that BNB and buy more tokens and stake it in the platform. You see what I'm saying? That's some game theory for you. But I got to get credit where credit due. What you want me to say? If that's the case and that gets a little technical, but I suggest you try it because that's kind of the way DeFi is going, bro. That's all you hear about. Lending coming, peer-to-peer lending, this and loans and this. That's where it's going. So you get a platform like this and learn it before it gets really real, and then you'll know this is crypto. This is how you learn. You jump 2 feet in, bro. You know what I'm saying? They got the chart where you can see. Like I said, I don't want to get too technical, but it benefits you to go in every day because as it goes on, it chops up and it makes sure that BNB is in every day no matter what. You see what I'm saying? Like if 100 BNB get in this day, it's going to take 10 BNB and put it in the next day, 10, and it lumps on top of each other. If that makes sense. I know it don't make no sense right now. I know it don't. Just trust me. That's why you got to go in every day. You got to go in every day, bro. But this loan stuff, this lending and loaning on you, why? That's why I said that 300 day might be beneficial. You know what I'm saying? Because you stake your AVN tokens. It's going to pay you dividends in BNB. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, hey. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to say, man. It got my attention. I don't know. Now, I got to keep it all the way real. I'm keeping it all the way 100. You know what I'm saying? I don't see no audit on here, bro. They say they got 2 audits. I don't see it. I don't see nothing about nan audit nowhere. Now, it might be in process, but I got to keep it real, man. That's what people watch me for. I can't go act like I'm overlook it. You know what I'm saying? Now they got the little message thing. I might send them a message. Where the damn audit at? Like, what an audit? You know what I'm saying? I don't see it. They say it right here. Secure. Avarice smart contract is verified and audited. Where? Where's the audit, bro? Now, I don't read no white paper, but I show scam over that audit. I scam over some audit. You know what I mean? Now, the one thing I like about this, 2 things I like about this. When you click the referral link, you get some of that referral too. You see what I'm saying? It ain't airdropped in there. You get it. You get like, I forgot what percent it is, but you get some of that referral too automatically if you use a referral link. So if you use my referral link, you're going to get some of that referral automatically. I'm going to get some, you're going to get some. So I got, shout out to Bank Teller. He came up with that. I I ain't no hater, bro. I give credit what credit due. That came from Bank Teller. He started that. You know what I'm saying? The elephant thing. He wasn't giving nothing, so you couldn't see it. But as time go on, I think the percentage is gonna get better and better in splitting the referrals between the person and the influencer. And I think that's good. I ain't no hater, bro. I want everybody to get money, man. I'm gonna make my money off the platform. The referrals, let's just call it the territory. But you see, I go in. I'm going in every day. You gonna see me, bro. Period. You know what I'm saying? Now, the other thing I like about it, and I'm not saying now, it can be exploited, hacked, and all that. But as of now, ain't nothing to hack. It doesn't have liquidity. You can't sell the AVN token. You can't go to Pancake Swap, flash loan it, send it over here, arbitrage, none of that. So it's basically flash loan proof. You can't do it. The token has no value. You can't do it, but you can't do nothing but stake it. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no liquidity to be had. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing to flash loan. So I like that about the platform, bro. Ain't nobody, you see videos, ain't nobody talking about that. That's the biggest thing to me. There is no liquidity to flash loan, to exploit. There is no big old thing up here talking about assets under management, $50 million, all that, just enticing folk to come get it. That ain't what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I like about it, man. But anyway, hey, I could talk for days, but first thing you do, come to the lobby. Because I know people going to be asking, well, how I get the token? How I do this? Once you click the link in the description, you come to the lobby, right? You put in your bill. You're going to show your wallet. You got to hit the thing. Going to say, what it going to say? Yeah, what it going to say, man? Yeah, it's going to say connect. It's going to say connect. So you connect your wallet. Now, it's going to show you. You're going to know you connected, right? You're going to see all that. And like what I do like about it is show everything right here. Yeah, you can't hide your referral bonuses and your tokens, and it's right here. Everything is transparent. You know what I'm saying? I know some people like to blur that stuff out, and I ain't studying out. It is what it is. Because with me, you get some of your referral back anyway. So I hope it show what you get. Now, the more you put in, the more you get back. So, hey, it is what it is, man. And as you can see, more people that went in since my video. And it show you right here, people want to see 3 BNB. You know what I'm saying? 2 BNB, half a BNB. Do your thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, people are coming in. Total deposits is over 300. After my video, we might get my, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holler back at your boy. If you got any questions, ask your mama, because I don't know. Oh. Piggy bank still printing too. Okay. Bye. It's printing, baby. Let's go.